Cursor versus Copilot review. Which is better? I'm going to tell you which is better between Cursor and GitHub Copilot when it comes to AI coding tools. Cursor is a standalone code editor powered by GPT-4 designed specifically for developers. It lets you chat with your codebase, refactor across multiple files, and even run terminal commands through AI. It feels like a smart pair programmer with deep context awareness. On the other hand, GitHub Copilot is more of an autocomplete assistant that integrates into your favorite IDEs like VS Code or JetBrains. It's smooth, lightweight, and great for speeding up small tasks and boilerplate code. Copilot is cheaper, more beginner friendly, and easier to set up, but Cursor is more powerful if you're working on bigger, complex projects.